On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money from home using AI. This method does not require skills, it does not require any experience, and the best part is that you can use this method as a complete beginner to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, boardhumans.com. On this website, you can find a lot of different AI tools that you can use for free without paying for anything. For example, you can see right here they have AI image generator that you can use for free. You can see AI rap battles, you can see crazy images, AI article writer, you can see lyrics generator, fake people, falling sun, movie musicals, you can celebrity AI chat, insult battle, dating stimulator, joke battle, TV episode generator, celebrities look alike, you can see AI fat, quote generator, AI generated podcast, you can see video game ideas and the rest. There are a lot of different AI tools that you can use for free on this website. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see many of them. You can see right here poetry generator, photo blender, happy moments, new words, and the rest. You can see AI dreams, band name generator, and a whole lot of different things. You can see business ideas. So you can use any of these AI tools and then do whatever that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll down, you can see many of them. You can even use it to transcribe audios. You can see AI transcription. You can use it to check grammar. You can use it to improve tools. You can use the text improvement tools. You can use visual pairs, interior design. You can see sketch game, cartoonify yourself, website builder, and a whole lot of different things. As a school, you can see many others, and you can see these ones are coming soon, so you can edit your images on this website very soon. So let me just use one of these AI tools to demonstrate for you how they are working. I want to demonstrate for you to see that this is a legit way that you can use to make money. For example, you can click on poetry generator so that you can use it to generate a poem. So once you click on the poetry generator, you can see right here what you have to do is that you have to enter a word or a phrase so that it can generate a useful poem for you. For example, I want the AI to write a poem title, Born to be Rich, Born to be Rich, something like this. Just a title like this, Born to be Rich. You can enter any title that you want. I want it to write a poem about this. Once you have your title, just click right here, submit, so that it can write a poem for you. You can see it is going to generate the poem right here. You can see, let's wait for it. You say 20 seconds, so we are going to wait for it. As you can see, it has started generating the poem. You can see it is generating the poem. As you can see, this is the poem that it is generating. So as I scroll, you can see it has generated a very useful poem. As you can see it right here. So whatever poem that you want it to write, it is going to write it for you. I want to show you another AI tool that you can use. For example, this one right here, article writer. So just click on it. Once you click on the article writer, you are going to type a title right here so that it can generate an article for you. For example, you are going to type something like how to lose weight naturally. How to lose weight naturally, something like this. Once you have your title, just click on submit so that it can generate an article for you. So we are going to wait for it. You can see it might take up to 30 seconds, so we are going to wait for it. As you can see, it has started generating the outline of the article. You can see everything right here. So it is going to generate an outline of the article before it starts writing. As you can see, this is the outline of the article. So we are going to wait for it. You can see it is generating the outline. As you can see, it is generating the outline. As you can see, so let's wait for it. You can see it is generating the outline. As you can see, that is it. You can see it is going to generate a very useful outline. As you can see, it is now writing the body of the article. You can see everything. As you can see, it is generating everything. You can see everything. You can see it is generating the article. As you can see, it is generating the article, and you can see this is the conclusion. It has finished generating the article. You can see everything. So now when you scroll, as you can see, this is a full article. You can see everything. This is the outline of the article. As you can see it. So this is our title. You can see it has given us a title. So if you don't want to use this one, you can use the AI generated title. So as you can see, this is the outline of the article. You can see the body of the article. You can see it right here. As I scroll, you can see this is a nice article. If you want, you can sell this article to make money. If you want, you can also turn it to a YouTube video so that you can publish it on YouTube and then monetize the video. But in this case, I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can use to make money with this particular AI tool. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, latium.com. This is a freelance website where you can list your services and then get people to hire to complete their projects. For example, you can click right here, bid for projects, so that you can get employers who are looking for your services right now. For example, we are going to look for writing jobs, so just type something like article writer so that we can find out if there are employers who needs our service. So just type something like article writer, something like this. Once you type article writer, just click on search so that you can find employers who needs your service. Once you search for writers, you can see right here, academic content writer needed, 5 days remaining. This employer is willing to pay you $100 to $500 when you complete the job. You can see right here, I need a freelancer to write an article for my blog. This employer is willing to pay you $5 to $25. You can see it right here. You can see this particular employer right here, medical writer to write about our portable hand messenger. This employer is willing to pay you $5 to $25. These are all employers who need people to complete their projects for them. So now, if you want to bid for the project, what you have to do is that you have to click on the project so that you can find more details about it. Once you click on the project, you can see the details of the project. You can see everything. So you are going to read more about the project. So you can see, I need academic writer to write an essay with topic, is history important to know? You can use the AI to generate content for this particular topic. So now what you have to do is that you have to bid for the project. You have to tell the employer how much you are willing to charge for your service. You can see right here, how much do you want to bid on this job? So you can enter the amount that you want. So if you want $200, you can enter that. If you want $300, you can enter that right here. Once that is done, you are going to write your message and then send to the employer so that they can hire you to complete the project. So now what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you can bid for as many projects that you want so that you can get them to hire you for you to make money from home. You don't need to invest any money. All you need to do is that you have to create your accounts and then begin to bid for projects so that you can get them to hire you. Apart from this website, you can also come on Fiverr.com and then list your services right here so that you can get people to hire you to write articles for them. Many people are making a lot of money on Fiverr using this same method. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, join, so that you can join and then create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, you are going to list your services so that people can hire you. For example, let's type article writer. So, or you can just type article writing. So let's type article writing. Once you search for article writing, you can see these are people who are using the same method to make money. You can see some are charging $15, some are charging $35, some are charging $50, and then many others. You can see $80, $580, $45. So what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts and then list your services like these people so that you can get many people to hire you to complete their projects for them so that you can be making money from home without investing any money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.